Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chocolate banana dosa. This is a very unique and a quick breakfast recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in an egg. Beat it well for 2 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Now it is well done, so go ahead and add half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 ripe bananas mashed. You can go with your favorite variety of banana. Give it a quick mix. Now to this add 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it well and make sure no lumps are formed. Finally, to this add a tablespoon of milk and mix well. Now we have the perfect consistency and our chocolate banana dosa batter is ready. So let's go and make the dosa. Heat a iron tawa and spread a ladle full of chocolate dosa batter as thin as possible. Spread 2 teaspoons of ghee. Use homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Cook for a minute in medium-high flame. After a minute, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for a minute. Now both sides are well done and ready, so remove from the tawa. Now our delicious chocolate banana dosa is ready. Serve it right away with some peanut butter on top and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this chocolate banana dosa recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.